If you remember using a string and a hunk of chalk trying to snap a halfway straight line and hoping for the best, this is a serious upgrade. This is the Feekoon 100-foot chalk line reel kit, and right out of the box you can tell it's built for real work, not just occasional DIY. What I like immediately is that it's not just the reel. You're getting complete marking kit, including a Carpenter Pencil, multiple refills, so you're covered whether you're snapping long lines or doing more detailed layout work. The line itself is a 100-foot braided polycotton blend. It holds chalk really well, which gives you bold, clean lines. When you're working on something like framing or laying out flooring, that visibility makes a big difference. You're not guessing, you're following a clear, crisp line. The real action is smooth, and it's something you don't always appreciate until you've used a cheap one. This one winds back up easily without binding or fighting you, which saves time and frustration, especially if you're snapping multiple lines in a row. I've used many different chalk lines, and this is probably the easiest one to use. Another thing I like is the added usability features. The hook and spring snap make it easy to clip on your belt or tool bag. It keeps the tool accessible without having to set it down every few minutes. The included Carpenter Pencil is also more useful than it might seem. There are always spots where chalk line just isn't practical. Tight corners, short marks, or detailed measurements, and having that pencil with refills right there keeps your workflow moving. Build quality feels solid too. The ABS case is sturdy enough to handle job site use, and the reel mechanism feels like it's going to hold up over time. This isn't something that feels disposable. It's made to stick around. Overall, whether you're doing framing, drywall, tile, or general layout work, this kit covers a lot of ground. It's practical, well thought out, and gives you everything you need in one package without having to buy extras. If you're still using the old string and chalk method, this is one of those tools that makes you wonder why you waited so long to upgrade. For me, I'd rather have blue chalk. I think blue chalk stands out better on wood than the pink chalk, but I like the cap, the rubber cap, and how to fill it. And I think this chalk line works really well.